What, Pinners? What do you want? What do you want? Oh, you want me to follow you? Do you want me to follow you? Yes? Okay, where are we going? All right, what do you want? Yes, I'm right behind you. What? Are we going down the stairs? Okay, come on. Why do you always have to walk behind me when we go down the stairs? Huh? You want me to keep going? Okay. Where? What do you want? Oh, now you'll walk in front of me, won't you? Yes, I'm coming. What do you want? Do you want more food? Do you want more food? Where's your sister? Where's sister? What do you want? You want more food. You're a crazy dog. You done now? You full? You gonna lay down? Get in your chair. Go lay down. Do you wonder why I'm taping you? Go lay down, Pinners. Get up there. No, go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. Yep. That's Penny Pen's chair. That's a Princess Pinner's chair. Is that where you guys go night-night? You and sister? Lay down. Lay down, bosser. You're stinking precious. You got the window to look out of. Oh, is that a burp? Are you full? Baby hound. You want me to leave you alone so you can go night-night? Who's out there? Bye, Pinners.